Hello everyone, good morning. Guys, can you able to hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, can you guys able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the last session. So is there anyone who have completed the assignment? Is there any difficulty that you guys are facing in the assignment? So is there anyone like facing difficulty in creating the assignment? Because like we have just discussed about the basics of Python yesterday, and we got an assignment of creating inventory management system. So have anyone completed the assignment? Any doubts related to the assignment? Actually, I was absent last class. Okay, okay, then great. So, guys, any one of you, can you guys explain what happened in the last session, like yesterday, so that your friends can know? Any one of you? Hello, hello, any one of you? Like, just explain what are the things that we have learned yesterday. Okay, then I need to say, right? Okay, so last class we have discussed about the basics of Python. Why we need go for Python. Then we discussed about the data types, simple and complex data types. Then we go on to the something like looping statements, and then control structure, like those things. And finally, we have given an assignment related to inventory management system. So yeah, so that's what about the last session. So I think the recordings are available. If someone has missed the session, you can go through the recordings and let me know if you guys have any doubts till then. Okay. So I think there are very less people now. So can you guys just ask your friends to join so that we can start? We will wait for next 4 minutes and then we can start. Okay. So so in the meantime, I just need you guys like have you guys tried the assignment first of all? Not like I need a completion. Just have you guys tried it? So just say that, just put in the chat box that yes, if you guys have tried, or you guys are going to try also, you can put yes. Hello, guys. First of all, can you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, guys. Just I need like, have you guys just gone through the assignment, or are you guys able to complete the assignment, or are you in progress? Just I just need your response. So is there any difficulty that you are facing, like anything that you need explanation about the assignment that you guys need to do? Done, sir. Great. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. But I'll do one thing, like share the assignment with me and let me know like anything improvement that you need to do. Okay. Sir, I'm going to try after the class. Sure, sure, sure. Good, good. I'll try. Okay. So if you guys have done it, just share with me. So I will just look into it and I will update you regarding like what are the things that need to be done. Okay, you are sharing the screen. Great. Okay. Um, okay. So could you explain this? Is it okay for you to explain? Hello. Hello. My mic is not working properly. So no problem. No problem. Just go to the first block. First block. Okay, you have created a database. That's nice. Okay, and you have displayed the items together with the price. Great. Okay, go down. next cell. Okay, you are just generating bill and updating the inventory, then main loop. Great. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay, that's great. Go down, laptop. Okay, go down. Okay, yeah, yeah, give your input. Yeah, number of prototypes, three. How many headphones do you want to? Okay, need to buy two. Okay, bill is two. Purchase successfully. Laptop quantity. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay, is the quantities are updating properly? Because like, is it updating properly? Let's say before that, I think you are having 5, 19, 13, 9, 25, right? So what is the previous in the database that you are having? Okay, 5, 19. Okay, 13. Okay, great, great, great. That's great. That's good. Okay. So one thing I need to say, because like, as we are learning data science and we know Python, we all guys know what is happening. But if you are giving to the client who doesn't know about Python or this data science field, you need to just comment everything. Okay. Go to the first cell. Yeah, here what you need to, yeah, you need to mention it as creating the database. Like that, you need to provide the command so that the person who is not know about this coding, they can also understand. So guys, one thing, whenever you do the coding, it should be understandable by a person who is not related to this field, so that only we can able to convey the things that we have done. Okay, so that's really great, Patel. That's really great. So just add the comments. So that's it. Okay, that's really great. Okay, is there anyone who want to share the screen and then explain the things? Anyone else? Okay, okay, okay. Then time is up, like 10 more minutes. So I think we can start the session. So last session we have gone through Python, and then I have given an assignment. So this session we're gonna learn about SQL. Okay. So I will just share my screen. So today also we're gonna use the same collab that we are using yesterday. So yeah, so today our major goal is to complete this SQL. Okay. How many of you guys know about SQL? Before that, is my screen is visible to you? Okay, guys, if you guys can speak up, just speak up. Okay, it should be interactive, because like I'm in different screen. So if you guys can able to speak up, it will be very easier for me, because I had to come to this screen and then I need to look into the chat box, so that chat box. So it would be better if you can speak. Okay, so how many of you know about SQL? How many of you have an idea of what is SQL? Or okay, that's great. Okay, okay, okay. How many of you know structured query language? Okay, okay, great. Okay, okay. Yes. Okay. 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 So, okay. So, can you guys tell me, any one of you, like, why we need SQL?
To store data
That's
and
great.
query the data into the website
Great.
for
Great.
any programs.
Okay, great, great. Okay, because like previous session we have learned about a programming language, which is Python, in order to interact with the data. So now we are gonna learn SQL, which is used to store the data. That's a great answer. Okay, so there are some more persons who are giving answers. That's great. To interact with relational data, to interact with the DB. Okay, yes, to store large volume of data. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so we're gonna see the basics here also. Okay, so as you guys have mentioned, SQL is used to interact with the data and allowing us to create, read, update, modify, like those things in the data. And this is what about SQL. Okay, today I'm gonna use Collab for doing this, because like for SQL we are having different platforms, like we could go for Oracle, like those things. But as I mentioned before, I need you guys to be well versed with this collab. Using collab, we can do everything. So today I'm gonna show something like this is the first time I'm just trying it out. SQL we can run in collab itself. Okay, so just we're gonna go through the thing. So it will be very easier for you guys. Okay, so collab has something called as SQLite 3. Okay, that's a package. So which has the access to SQL. Okay, so we have done with the introductions. Now we're going to see SQL commands by using SQLite. Okay, we will create a first of all, in order to run this SQLite in collab, we need to create a in-memory database. So in order to create, delete and update in the collab. Okay, whereas in Oracle, like those things, they are already a database server, so you doesn't need to create anything like an in-memory kind of thing. But in collab, we need to create an in-memory. Okay, so in order to do this, you need to import SQLite 3. If you guys don't have SQLite, what you guys need to do means you guys need to go for pip install SQLite 3. Okay, this is a command that is used to install the SQLite 3. Okay, so if you have this, then no problem. Actually, collab has this inbuilt, so I'm just importing SQLite 3. Okay, now I'm gonna set it to the memory. That is, I'm just treating this collab as the database. So SQLite 3 dot connect, I'm gonna treat it as memory, so it will be in the connection. So now I'm just creating the, so cursor is the thing which is used to create this collab as a database. Okay, so this is a command which is used to establish the connection of this collab with the database. Okay, can you guys able to understand this? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, that's great. So now we're gonna see different commands. Okay, so first command is creation of table. So in order to do a kind of manipulation, we need something called as a table. Okay, so before going to this, can you guys tell me, you guys have said that SQL is used to store the data. What kind of data SQL will store? Guys, tell me like what kind of data structure. That great, great. Okay. Any other thing? Tabular, structured data. Guys, nice. Non-relational, no. Okay. Any other answer? Excel form, yeah. So in a simple way, what we can do, it will store the tabular data. Okay, it consists of rows and columns, so it will store as tabular data and in a structured form. Okay, so this SQL is able to store only structured form of data. Okay, it should have rows and columns, and each column will represent the features. Okay, as we guys have know about that. Okay, so it is like a tabular format. Okay, so guys, anything else that you guys need to discuss, like what kind of data that it can store? Like you guys have said it is structured and tabular. Anything else? Okay, guys, anything else that you need to, like what kind of data can it also store? Hello, guys, can you able to hear me? Okay, I will just show some table to you. Okay, so that you guys can understand me better now. Okay, so I'll just paste the table here. Wait a minute. Okay, can you guys able to see this image? Guys, can you able to see this image?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here this is the image of SQL table. Okay, we will be having the rows and we will be having the columns, and this person is the table name. Okay, so where ID, name, surname, age, what this means?
Sir, column headings.
Keys. Okay, okay, attributes. That's right. Okay. Features. Yeah, that's also right. Okay. So what these things are called as? One, name, surname, age. What these things are called as? You guys have said the columns as features like those things. I'm just asking about these things. Each and every row, I'm just asking. What is that? Data? No. No dictionary. No. They are called as rows, but I need the exact word of it. So what is this entire thing called as? It is record. Okay. The entire row is called as a record. These things are called as a columns or features, whereas these things are called as rows or records. Okay. These four things are called as rows and records. Whereas this person is the table name. Okay. So now you guys get an understanding of, I hope you have an understanding of what the SQL table looks. Okay. So now we can go for creating the table. Okay. So now we're gonna create the table. Okay. So as in other programming language, SQL also has a structure to define the table. Okay. So here we are having the structure like it has create table, table name. Within that we need to specify the keywords together with its data type. Okay. This create table, table name is students, and we're gonna define some features inside. ID, name, age, grade. These are the features. Okay. And we are defining the data type of it. Integer, text, integer, text, right? And we are just giving circle bracket. I will come to this. Here ID is a primary key. So what is primary key? Actually primary key is a key which is unique for the table, and we can coordinate this primary key with the another table so that we can have a relationship between the two tables. Okay, guys, please know about this primary key. It will be asked in the interview question, so they will ask for what is primary key. So primary key is the unique key which will be able to like access the data entire record from the table. Okay, let us consider, come here. So you guys say me, if I say what is the primary key here in this table, what is the primary key? ID. That's great. So if I need the record of, for example, Jaden, okay, then I can go for ID equal to 2. So it will remove, it will get the entire record, right? So if you are able to access the entire record using the unique key, then it is called as primary key. Okay. So I'm just defining this ID as a primary key. So this is how not null and init. That's also great. Okay. So this is how you can create the table. Okay. Guys, take notes of it. I'm gonna say something and you guys need to have a note of it. Okay. Syntax for creating the table. Okay, guys, have a pen or pencil, and if you guys are just using laptop, just use the notepad to write it, or if you guys are using phone, you guys can use the notes to write it, or if you guys have notes, just write with a pen. Okay, I need you guys to write down now. Okay, so in order to create a table in SQL, you guys need to have this syntax ready. Okay, create table, table name. Within the circle bracket, you need to specify the features together with its data type, right? So have you guys write it up? Is it done? So if it is done, just post yes in this chat box. Yes. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. So this is what command. So now I'm gonna run this. Okay. Now our table is ready, right? Now our table is empty. We need to insert some data to it. So in order to insert the data, I'm gonna use the insert command. Okay, cursor.execute. So a cursor is the database, okay, that we have created earlier. It is an in-memory database, and then we need to specify execute. Okay, we're gonna give something called as insert into table name. Okay, insert into is a keyword, whereas table name is the name which we have given to our database, and we need to specify the features like name, age, grade, and I'm giving the value as John to 21A. John Doe is for name, whereas 21 is for age, A is for grade. Okay, this is how you just mention the insert command. And similarly, I have just inserted 4 records. See, for Jenny, Ravi, and Raja, I have just inserted 4 different records with 4 different names, age, and grade. Okay, this is how we can insert the data into the table. Okay, now make notes of it. I'm going to say the syntax of insert command. Insert into table name. Within the circle bracket, you need to specify the column names, values, again circle bracket, and you need to specify the values that you're going to give. Okay, so is the syntax is done? Have you guys noted up? Can I just get the acknowledgement like yes kind of thing? Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, you guys have a question, right? How many columns we are having in this table? How many columns are there? 4, but I have specified only 3 columns. What's the reason? So which column I have not specified? I will put it in this manner. Okay. ID. So what's the reason? Value might be same. No. Auto incremented. That's the right answer, because automatically it will take. Yeah. The reason is we have specified this ID column as primary key. Okay. So it will be unique and also it will be not null. That's the reason if you specify or not, whenever you create a record, it will just automatically create the first record as 1, second record as 2, third record as 3, fourth record as 4, right? Then it will automatically take it, because the reason is we have specified it as primary key, so it should be not null, and also it should have some values which is unique. Okay, so after running this code, now I need to display it. So before that, is this concept is clear, like why we have not specified values for ID? Okay, is the concept is clear, guys? Is the concept is clear, like why we have not
Yes,
specified
sir.
values? Okay, that's great. Okay, so now I'm gonna display this. Okay, so once we done everything, we need to commit it. Okay, connection.commit, which will commit the last updated commands. Okay, now in order to display the things, we need to go for something like display command, that is called a select command. Select star from table name. Okay, here it is, select star from table name. So select star from table name is students. Okay, now we need to fetch all the data, and it will be storing this. You can see fetch all data will fetch all the data from the table, and it will store in the records variable. Now if you go for a for loop and you print the records, and you will get the entire record. See, we have not specified the ID, but it is there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the records we have inserted: John, Danny, and then Ravi and Raja, and then their age and their grade. Okay, guys, one more query. Okay, so please note it up. For select statement, for displaying it, we need the command or syntax as select star from table name, right? So yeah, till this, any doubts? Guys, any doubts till this step? Because we have created a
No,
table,
sir.
we have inserted the record. That's great. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, we have created a table, we have inserted the records, and we have displayed it. Okay, now you guys need to have 3 syntax, right? So I think end of this, I am gonna ask this. Okay, so we will go further. Okay, so we have uh, talked about creation, insertion, and then display. What is pending? Guys, what is pending? Okay, I will put it in this manner. We have inserted. What is the opposite of insert?
Delete or remove.
Yeah, we go for deletion or remove. Okay, so in order to delete the record from table, you need to use this syntax: delete from table name, where column name and then key, so value. Okay, guys, please look into the syntax. This is somewhat tricky. you need to give a keyword as delete from table name students, where is the keyword, and you need to specify the column name. Okay, name is the column name, and I'm just specifying the name as Raja. So I'm gonna delete this row or record. Okay, so now to delete this record, I need to specify delete from table name where name equal to Raja. Okay, once it is done, I'm gonna commit it. Okay, then so in order to display it, it's a simple thing like select star from table name. It's gonna have everything, fetch all, and then the same rows, and then we're gonna display. Now you guys see the last record is deleted. Okay, guys, is it okay? Is the delete command is okay for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take the syntax for delete. Delete from table name where column name equal to value. Okay, now I hope you guys have just write it down. Okay, now I need to remove this record, but in different manner. How I can do that? Guys, you tell me some other syntax. Delete from table name where name is equal to Raja. I need to remove this record without using name equal to Raja. What I can do? Use id. Okay, okay, instead of name I can use, okay, id equal to 4. That's great. Okay, what else we can do? Can I go for age equal to 23? Drop. Okay, yeah, age column, yeah. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so yeah, so I will just summarize. Yeah, grade also we can go. Yeah, grade is unique, right? Yeah, see, we can go. That's great, Grish. Yeah. So now I'm going to summarize whatever we have done. Okay, so SQLite 3 is a in-memory database where we have created a table, inserted the records, selected some things in order to display it, and then finally we have deleted the things. Okay, so it is like a simple commands. Now we're gonna see the advanced command. Before that, till this stage, is there any doubts? If you guys have any doubts related to why we need this SQL, or why we need this create query, insert, delete, update, anything insert, delete, and then we are having select statement. Anything that you guys have, any doubts related to this?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we going for something like a advanced queries. Okay, so we're gonna see some queries like join, group by, and order by to perform more complex data relative retrieval operations. Okay, so first we're gonna see join query. So in order to use a join query, we at least need two tables. Okay, so I'm gonna create one more table like course table, create table name course, and I'm going to specify id, which is integer, and then course name is text, right? And I'm just specifying this id column as primary key. So what I'm going to do means insert into table name, I'm going to insert the records, and then I'm specifying the column name, which is course name, and its value is mathematics, physics, and then physics. Okay, now I'm just committing it, and this I'm just displaying it by using the select statement. I'm going to display it 1 2 3, and then it is giving the subjects, right? Mathematics, physics. Now I need to join two columns, sorry, two tables, right? We are having a student table and then course table. How I can join these two tables? So this is table 2, which is course table, and this is table 1, which is student tables. How I can join these two tables?
Using natural join.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Yeah, okay. So in order to join two tables, we need, yeah, inner join. Yeah, we can go. Yeah. So in order to join two tables, what exactly we need? The two tables should contain the similar column in order to join those things. You guys tell me what is the column which is unique in both the tables. So this is table 1, student tables, right? And we are having table 2, which is course table. Which column will be useful for us to join these two tables? id column, that's right. Okay, so this is how we can join. Select student table name. From the student table, I'm just using the name, course table, I'm gonna use the course name. From student table, join is a keyword, and then I'm just specifying the course table on. This is very important. From the student table, I'm gonna use the ID column, which is equal to course table, and then I'm gonna use the ID column, right? Now I'm going to fetch everything, and then I'm going to display it. Just see here, guys, we are having student name from the student table, whereas course name from the course table. So is it clear, guys, how we are joining these two tables? Is there any doubts related to this?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will just give the syntax of this. Just write it down. Select table name dot column name from table 1, join table 2 on table 1 dot key feature equal to table 2 dot key feature, right? Hope you guys have write it down. Okay, so this is how we can go for the join operation. Okay, it is one of the major thing that we need to do in SQL. Most of the time we doesn't have all the kind of data that we need in a same table, so we need to go for something called as this join command, so that we can join the things. Okay, so so we will move on to the next command. Okay, that is grouping the data and using aggregation function. Okay, now, so can you guys tell me what is mean by grouping and aggregation?
Dividing the group of information in smaller groups.
Okay, okay. So so grouping means like you are saying that you're gonna divide, right? Aggregation, mean, max, average. That's great. So what is my grouping? So tell me how I can group everyone in this call. So guys, tell me like how I can just group everyone in this call. Can I group you guys by uh, data science students? Grouping if finding a total number of particular value. Yeah. So can I group everyone as a data science student or just learning AI students? So is it right? This is how I can group everyone, like group on basis of subjects. That's great. Okay, that's the reason. So we can group everyone by using a single common identity. Okay, so okay, so that's the thing. Okay, we can group everyone based on subject. Okay, someone has told. That's great, Pita. So what I'm gonna do means I'm gonna have the syntax for this grouping together with the aggregation. Okay, select table name, column name, course table. I'm just specifying the course name. Count star. So it is an aggregate function. What it will do means it will count the number of records. Okay, as student count. So it is a name given to this aggregation function. Okay, then from course is the table name, and I'm using the join command to join the student table on course name unique column, that is ID, student name ID. Finally, I'm just group by using the course table and then course name. Okay, once it is done, I'm just fetching it all and then I'm just printing it. Can anyone explain what this command is doing? What this entire command is doing? Because like it's somewhat tricky. It has nearly like three different things. It has a select command, and then it has the aggregate function, and it has the join command, and then also group by command. Okay, so is there anyone can anyone explain this step by step?
Sir, first
Yeah.
it select course table, then it joins the course table with the student table based on course ID and student ID.
Okay.
After that, the group by clause is executed and it
Okay.
groups based on course name. After
Okay.
that, the select statement is executed and the course name and and the count for each group will be calculated.
That's great. Okay, this is how the flow works. That's great. Okay, so How it works means I will just explain one more time. Your friend has explained in a more proper and easier manner, so I will try to explain the similar thing. So first in this command, join command will be working. It will join the two tables, student and course table, based on the ID. Then it will group the course name, and once it is grouped, it will use the select command to display the course name, and based on the grouping it will gonna display the count. Okay, so you guys see here, so it is gonna display the course name and then count. Mathematics, there is only one count, whereas physics it has two count. Okay, this is what the grouped data. Okay guys, is it okay? Can we move for the next command?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anyone has any doubts related to this, because we are having multiple things here. Sir, can we use SQLite similar way? Yeah. In Jupyter Notebook also, you just need to use pip install SQLite 3. Okay. So if you guys have, okay, if you guys have any doubts, just keep it there. I think one more command is there, and then we can take up the doubt session also. Okay. So guys, can we move further, because like I need you guys to understand this, because like during interviews these kind of questions will be asked, because just consider this question: how many commands we are having? We are having select command, we are having aggregate function, we are having join function, we are having group function, like 4 different commands in the same statement we are having, right? So try to just understand this. If you guys not able to understand, just ask me now, or else you can ask in after completing this session also, no problem for me. Okay, so can we move further, like the next comment?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, sure. So the next thing is very simple. We are going for order by ordering the data. Okay, so I'm gonna use select name grade from student table. Okay, this name and grade or the column names, I'm going to select this from the student table, and I'm going to specify the keyword called as order by. Okay, I'm going to order by the column name, which is called as grade. Okay, and then I'm going to order by in a decreasing order. Okay, descending order. Okay, so I'm going to fetch it and then I'm going to display it out. Okay, so it is gonna give it in the decreasing order, that is descending order, the name and grade. Based on the grade, it is going to give it in the descending order. Okay, just see here, we are having B, and A. Based on that, it is aligning the data, right? Guys, any doubts related to this order by function? It is simple, I think so. Based on any column that you are giving, it is going to give it in a descending or ascending order. If you remove this descending, it will consider as ascending. If you put descending, means it will be considering as a descending, and it will just print it out. Okay, guys, any doubts?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, so I will explain, just summarize the thing. So join command, which is used to join two different tables, whereas group by, it is used to group the tables value based on some unique feature, and order by, which is used to just order the columns based on some other columns, like values in some other columns. Okay, so these are some of the complex queries that we are having. Okay, so I will give you 3 minutes of time. Okay, after 11:45, like now it becomes 11:43. Okay, I will just take 5 minutes of time. Just have an understanding of these things. Okay, if any doubt, just ask me. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes of time. After that, I'm gonna ask you questions. Okay, if you guys not asking me, then I'm started to ask you. Okay, so this is it. Like we have talked about the basics and also like advanced queries that we are having in SQL. So yeah, guys, I will give you 5 minutes and let us know any difficulty that you guys are facing. Okay, so I think I doesn't specify the syntax of this and this also, right? So just take the syntax for group by an aggregate function. You need select column name, and then once you done aggregate function, you need to specify the column name for the aggregate function, and then from table name. And similarly for join query, you know, no, join query table 1, and then its unique value, and then table 2 its unique value. Finally group by, which column you need to group by, that's it. Whereas for order by, you need to go for similarly select function column name from table name. Order by is the keyword that used for sorting or ordering, and then you need to specify the column name. That's it. If you go for a ascending order, whereas if you need as descending order, you need to specify this descend keyword. Okay, So guys, take I hope you guys have write it down the syntax. Take 5 minutes of time. Let me know if you guys have any doubts. Okay. So yeah, take 5 minutes of time. 11:50 we will be back. Okay. So have a great understanding of this and let me know if you guys have any doubts. Okay. So yeah, guys. Yeah, hello guys. Can you guys able to hear me? Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Okay. So is there any doubts? Actually, I given an ample time of 5 minutes. I think so. Yeah. Guys, any doubts? Hello. No. Okay. That's great. Okay. So okay. Actually, one more query I need to show to you guys. Okay. So let's see. I can if I can show to you. Okay. Guys, anyone list down the queries that we have seen now? Any one of you just list down in the chat bot that chat box. So in the meantime, I will just look into that query. Actually, I missed one query. I will just look into it. Just list down the queries that we have just seen this in this class, like create, like those things. Okay, list down it. Anyone? Okay, someone has mentioned. That's great. Okay, join aggregate group by create insert. Okay, join. Okay, okay, okay. So one query I missed one command. Okay, I think it's okay. I will just share my screen. So only one more command is there. I will just share. So let me know if my screen is visible. Okay. Okay. So hope my screen is visible, right? My screen is visible, right? Hello, guys. Is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So one command which I missed is update command. Okay. So update is used to update the record present in the data. So sorry, in the table. So what is the syntax means? Update student table. So what I'm going to do means this record we are having no, I'm going to convert this 20, the age of 20 to 30. So how we can do means update table name students set age is a column name which is equal to 30 and where name equal to Ravi. So this Ravi column, the age will be replaced by 30. Once I have done this, I'm going to commit this and I'm going to use the select statement, similar select statement. I'm going to fetch everything and then I'm going to print. Here you can see the value, that is age value, is converted to 30, right? Can you guys able to understand this? Okay, this is how you can modify the data. Okay, update and modify. That's great. Okay, yes. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can modify. So I will just again just say the syntax for update. Update table name set column name equal to value where some condition like name equal to some column name equal to some value. Okay, hope that you guys understand this. Okay, I have just added this explanation also here. The update command update record present in the student table, like the table. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, so we have just we have done with everything. So I will just summarize the things that we have done today. Like we have gone through the basics of SQL. So we have used SQLite 3. It's an in-memory database where we have created the table. and we have also inserted the records to the table, and we have used select statement to display the records, and we have deleted the records from the table by using delete command, and we have updated the table, the value present in the table by using update command. And then we looked into some advanced kind of queries like join, group by, order by, like those things. So, and we have just discussed about how the table is formed, by using rows and columns, and we have discussed about the primary key also. So yeah, this all about this. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is all about the basics of SQL. So is there any doubts till this point? Otherwise, I will just go for the assignment that you guys need to do. Okay, guys, any doubts? Okay, no sir. Okay, then we will go for assignment. Okay, right? Okay, so assignment two that you guys gonna do means, what you guys need to do means, perform basic and advanced SQL queries that we have mentioned, no, nearly 10, by using your own data set. Okay, I have created my own data set, like you guys see. I have created a course data set and then also student data set. Similarly, create your own data set and then just complete the assignment. Okay, so I think that's it from my side. So we have completed module 1, so which is basics of Python and SQL. We have done with it. So yeah, so now it's your time, guys. So any doubts related to this two sessions that we have done? So actually we have having time. So let me know if you guys have any doubts like related to Python and also today's session on SQL. Guys, any doubts?
Hi, sir. Sahil this side from H2LE.
Sorry.
Sahil this side from H2LE. Can I bind up the session?
Yeah, wait. We will
Okay.
take up. Yeah, wait. We will take up the doubts. If not, means we can wind
Okay,
up the
okay.
session. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Guys,
Please
any
inform
doubts?
me after the session completed, okay?
Yeah, sure. I will
Okay.
just ping you. Okay. Okay. Guys, any doubts? Guys, if no doubts means I'm pretty sure like you guys are not attentive. Actually, you guys need to have a doubt, at least a doubt, because like we have just learned nearly 2 hours, 1 hour for Python and now 1 hour for SQL. So can you guys do assignment on this SQL? Are you guys are confident enough to do the assignment?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So one more thing, like guys, can you able to understand whatever the things, whatever the information that I'm able to convey you, or I need to just change the way that I need to think or thought? Sir, can you explain the syntax for connections of SQLite? Yeah, sure. Wait. I will just share the screen. So this is, guys, this is what I'm just like to do. Wait. I will just share my screen. Okay. So it's simple. Okay, how to establish the connection means it's very simple. Wait. Can you guys able to see the screen? Wait. I think you guys are not able to see. Okay. So is my screen visible?
Yes,
Is
sir.
my, okay. So how to establish a connection? Okay. Simple thing. Just import SQLite 3, then go for SQLite dot connect, and then you need to just give this simple command memory, and then create a cursor out of it. That's it. This is a simple thing that you can connect. Okay, the thing why I'm not using any other thing means in the first session itself I have say you guys it is completely different. It is not going to be PPT, not going to be any other stuff. Just have this collab and you will be well versed with the AI. Okay, you will be having a confidence to do go and do any project related to AI. Okay, so this is the 2 lines of code that you can establish the command. Okay, so I will be sharing this notebook. Okay, I think today I can share the notebook because everything is completed, so I can share this notebook with you guys. Okay, so any other doubts, guys? No, understood. Okay. So yeah, I'm just explaining something. No, like guys, is the things okay? Sir, in Jupyter Notebook, same SQL connection code. Yeah, yeah, same. Every ID is same. Okay. So any other thing? Yeah, I'm just explaining something. No, guys, can you able to explain? Sorry, understand the things that I'm explaining, or anything else that I need to change? Like I need to go slow or anything? Host name and password no required. No, it is not required. Can you guys able to understand whatever the information that I'm giving? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So I will continue with this thing. Okay. Unless and until if you guys are comfortable, I will just go with this thing. Okay. Sir, can you explain this syntax? Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. That's great. If nothing is there, we can drop off. I think 12 is the time. Okay. So I will be sharing this notebook, and guys, next session I just need every one of you to attempt the assignment on Python and also this SQL. Okay, just go for any own data set. Okay, you just create any data set that you need and just try to mix up this 10 different commands that we are having. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side. Anything else, guys? Other, if nothing is there, we can drop off. Okay, so okay, I think nothing is there. Yeah, guys, thank you for your time. Actually, it is Sunday, so I don't want to extend the time. So thank you so much. If you guys have any doubts, just ping in the WhatsApp, or you can ping personally, or you can have a we are gonna have a session next week, so you can ask that. So from my side, just complete the assignment, so then only I can know you guys are understanding or not, and just share me so that I can also correct, or you can share in the live sessions also, so that you can your friends can also able to understand. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your time. Okay, thank you and
Thank
bye.
you,
See
sir.
you all, see you all. Yeah, thank you.